Today I'm going to show you how to make sausage puff pastry Christmas trees. You will need 500 grams of puff pastry, about 8 sausages or 500 grams of sausage meat, and 1 egg. You're also going to want a star cutter, and ideally you want to have some wooden skewers, ones that are like cook resistant, so I used some barbecue skewers. If you don't have the skewers, don't worry, you can still make it, it's a bit easier with the skewers. So firstly, you want to roll out your puff pastry on a pre-floured work surface, and you want to roll it out so it is a long rectangle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut out long thin strips, and they are going to be double the size of what you want because we're going to fold them over. But we're also going to want a star for each of our trees. So what I do is I cut out the star along the shorter length. So then you've kind of got a line of stars up the side, and then I cut the strip from the star. So this way I know that I've got enough stars for my trees. And then if you're using sausages, you just want to deskin them. And then simply spread that sausage meat along half of your puff pastry strip. I found 1 sausage per tree. If you're using sausage meat, you don't have to worry about the deskinning. You just put the sausage meat on instead. And then you want to fold it over widthways, and then you want to put your strip on its end, so then it's the folded side underneath, so you can see the sausage meat. And you want to fold it so then it goes into like a triangle shape, so then it makes that tree shape. And then if you're using your skewers, you then want to pop the skewer through the middle. If you're not using your skewers, don't worry about it. And then you want to pop your star on top and repeat until you've used all your puff pastry. And then pop your puff pastry trees onto a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper. So I actually split out the trees, so I did 4 on one and 2 on another tray. And then beat your egg, and with your beaten egg you just want to put a little bit of egg wash where the star meets the tree, just to help keep that in place. And then you just want to egg wash the puff pastry. So make sure those stars are completely egg washed, and then egg wash as much puff pastry as you can do. And then you want to pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make sausage puff pastry Christmas trees.